In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide participants' profile pictures during a Zoom meeting. This can be particularly useful if you need to keep the focus on the meeting content rather than on individual participants. Whether you're hosting a large conference or a small team meeting, this feature can help streamline the visual dynamics of your session. First, let's ensure you're in a Zoom meeting with host privileges because you need these to adjust settings for the participants. Once your meeting is up and running and you've confirmed your host status, you'll want to locate the host tools. These are typically found in the Zoom toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom window. If you don't see the toolbar right away, just move your mouse towards the bottom of the screen and it should pop up for you automatically. The host tools are essential for managing various aspects of your Zoom meetings. You have several options here, including managing participants, sharing your screen, and recording the session. Our focus today, however, is on modifying the view of the participants. When you click on the participants icon, a side panel will open, listing all attendees currently in the meeting. Here, you can manage various aspects of participant displays. Now, once you're in the participants panel, look closely for the More option, which is typically represented by 3 dots or simply the word More. Clicking on this will give you more settings to work with. Among these, you'll find the option labeled Hide Participants Profile Picture. This is exactly what we need to focus on. Go ahead and click on Hide Participants Profile Picture. This option does exactly what it says. It will hide the profile pictures of everyone in the meeting, which can be particularly useful if someone doesn't have their camera on and you find the pictures distracting. This feature ensures that all video feeds, except those which are live and active, will not show profile pictures, maintaining focus on the ongoing discussion or presentation. Give your settings a moment to update. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for all participants' profile pictures to disappear from the on-screen gallery. Remember that this adjustment will only be visible to those who are hosts or co-hosts. Participants won't necessarily realize their profile pictures are hidden unless they're informed. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to enhance your Zoom meeting management. By adjusting this setting, you can create a cleaner, more focused environment conducive to learning or collaboration. If you have any questions or run into any issues while implementing this, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching.